Hey guys, Varun Marathe here, and as many of you requested in my previous video that I should do a classic match in PUBG, and so that you get a better idea how the phone is performing. So this is where I'm going to do that, and also I'll do dual task in this video. I'm going to use the Bullets Wireless Z headphones that the OnePlus has launched. So if you haven't watched the unboxing, I'll give a link in the description below, so you can check it out, and I'll also give you the feedback about how the low latency mode, which is a feature of this headphone, works with OnePlus 8 Pro. So without further ado, let's begin with the game. So I'm going to start the Fnatic mode over here again because it is specifically mentioned that the Bullets Wireless Z works with the Fnatic mode on, and they work better in that sense. So I have just switched that on. So meanwhile, if you haven't watched my previous PUBG gameplay video, I'll have a card over here somewhere so that you can go and watch that. So firstly, I'll show you the settings over here. Graphic settings, as you can see. So right now it is at HD and Extreme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it on HDR and Extreme. So this is basically the highest setting at which the game can be played on this device or any other device right now, so that when I'll do this, you will get an idea that if the game plays well on this setting, it will play really well on all the other settings. So here we go, we are in the classic mode right now. We'll play an Erangel game, and yeah, let's begin. So right off the back, as you can see, everything looks really good, and the shadow is also on over here. So I think you will be able to guess the fact that there is no lag whatsoever right now. Now granted, this is just the load screen, but as you can see, all the movements are really crisp over here, and the details which are there everywhere around me is looking good. Even the grass which is there at some distance, it is looking nice. And as you all know, the saturation and colors of this display is really good, so that's not a problem. But when you talk about the movement of the character which is there on the screen, it is really smooth, and it does enhance the gameplay, I would say. Even though PUBG is not supporting high refresh rates yet, so it is actually being played at 60 fps only, and judging by this, I think it is running on 60 fps. So let's begin. So right off the back, when you can see that even now the map needs to render at some speed, and you can see even at a distance the phone has been able to render the graphics which are there very easily. So this is the first sign that shows that the phone is really powerful and capable of handling all the graphics. So right now we are landing here in Severny. I really hope I don't die, because I'll lose a lot of points if I do right now. Here I go. Fair warning, when you record and play, it's really difficult because you are unable to see the screen properly. So please don't judge my gameplay over here. And right off the back, if you can see, everything is running really smooth, and I think it's around about 50 to 60 fps right now. And even though there are so many elements which are there around, I think it is looking good. I purposefully kept the shadow on as well, and even with this, there is no problem to the gameplay. Luckily no one else has landed, I think, over here, so I'll be safe for some time now, and you will be able to see how I'm able to drive. Talking about the initial impressions about the Bullets wireless headphone, I am finding that it is actually working really well over here. Latency is pretty low, and I am able to hear the bullets in actual real time, so it's really good. There is literally little to no lag whatsoever, and I'm finding it really beautiful, because I think most of the people are going to buy this earphone for gameplay, and at least on this device it is playing really good. Sound is pretty loud. I'm around, I guess, 60% volume right now, so not very high, but but I think it's doing the part. And one thing about this headphones, it is they get pretty loud. I would say the bass is not that high, so it's not a bass heavy headphone, but in terms of loudness it's pretty loud. The mids are amazing, the vocals and instrumentation separation is really good, and if you play any kind of song and everything, you'll get to hear them really nicely. So right now, as you can see, talking about the gameplay over here in this classic mode, uh, I would say so far there are no problems whatsoever. I am able to play this game without any problem, and there is no lag as of now. uh, Everything is smooth and buttery smooth, I would say. And I cannot wait for PUBG to actually release the high refresh rate version of this. So let's fast forward to a bit where I get some kind of action. So right now I'm going to show you how the gameplay renders when we are actually driving in the game. So as far as I am concerned, I don't see any issues, and even the graphics are really beautiful. As you can see, the sun is actually reflecting on the top of the car. So the elements load really fast. Right now we are going towards a drop, so I don't know what the situation will be. Let's just see. Okay, so drop is actually looted. Because since this is at extreme and HD settings, which is the highest setting, I think the game on any other setting which is like smooth and extreme, it will run really well without any issues, and I'm pretty confident about it. So people who are wondering about that, I would just suggest you stop wondering. This is a really powerful game, and this is a really powerful hardware which is capable of playing all that. And I'm extremely happy with the gameplay has fared so far. I have played PUBG for almost 5 hours now on this game. This is the first time I'm recording it in classic mode, but I would say that this is everything is really good in the game. As you can see, look at the sky, look at the clouds, look at all the elements which are there around me. They look fantastic, and I'm just really happy in terms of the gameplay I'm getting out of this device. Now you do have to take into account that the phone does heat up on this section. Now this happens only when the temperature of the room is also high, so there is no proper ventilation. Now right now I'm in an area where the temperatures are pretty high, so this keeps on happening. Right now I'll give you the update regarding it. Yesterday at night when I was playing, it did not happen at all, and I played for 2 hours almost continuously, but right now it does. So Okay, so this was apparently a really good team. I lost a point over there. So never mind. So I hope guys you got a basic idea of how the classic mode runs on this game on this phone, and I would say that it is a really capable phone, so you don't have to worry about it at all whatsoever. I really find this phone extremely powerful and capable of handling every single thing that is thrown at it. And PUBG is the most demanding game right now, and classic mode is the one which you people had a doubt on. So I hope I have solved all your problems. If you have any more questions, feel free to write in the comment below and I'll try to address all of them. Talking about the Bullet wireless Z, they do appear to have the low latency mode for support, more low latency support for games on OnePlus device. You have to take a note of this, that actually this is only supported on OnePlus devices which is having Fanatic mode support. So whichever game has that Fanatic mode support, whichever phone has that Fanatic mode support, on them it will be having this low latency mode. And I actually I read some reviews online that someone with the OnePlus 5 was having some issues with this latency. So I don't know how widespread this is. I'll test it with other phones if you want, but right now this work with this OnePlus phone. So if you are looking forward to buying this headphone in order to play PUBG on your OnePlus 8 device, I think there won't be any issue. And even if you want for some older device such as 7T or 7T Pro or 7 even, I think it will run really well. So yeah guys, this was my classic gameplay review of PUBG on the OnePlus 8 Pro. I hope you like it. If you haven't seen my other videos, please go and check them out along with the unboxing. The full review of OnePlus 8 Pro will come in a few days, and also the review of Bullet's wireless Z will come in a few days, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you like the video guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do take care of yourself. See ya.